Bridget beautiful? I think she's a doll. Literally. What's up everyone, it's your girl Kia Amore and I'm here with another video. Today's part 2 of our 4-part series on how to braid. And today's braid is going to be a feed-in ponytail. Because you know your girl loves a good ponytail, okay? I don't care if it's braided, I don't care if it's sleek, I don't care if it's on the side, okay? Your girl loves a good ponytail. So today we're going to be doing a feed-in braid ponytail, sorry. And Bridget here has been freshly washed. Shake that, shake it, stiff wear. Stiff wear, Bridget, okay? So, Hold on guys, let me fix something real quick. Hi guys, I am back. Okay, so like I said, today's video is going to be a feed-in braid ponytail. Simple, quick, and easy and beautiful. Okay guys, so let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to make a circle in the middle of Bridget's head. As you can see, right in the middle. Here you're going to add 4 braids. The 4 braids is going to act as a guide so you can see how to braid the hair to make a perfect circle around the head. Yeah, guys, I dropped the comb, sorry. Anyway. Yeah, I got my Murray's Edge Wax. That's what I'm going to use in this video to make sure that the braids do not slip out when I add the weave. Okay, so this is what the braids will look like. They don't have to be neat. It doesn't matter because they're going to be covered anyway. So what I'm going to do for this ponytail, you're going to part it on a slanted angle to give that hook effect, like that Nike check effect, if you get what I'm saying. Yeah, so you part it on an angle to get the desired look that we're going for today. Since Bridget's hair is freshly washed, for today I'm going to be using the Murray's Beeswax for her hair because her hair is just so unmanageable while it's clean. I know that sounds crazy, but I mean, it is a mannequin head, it's not a human head, so you know, the rules always don't apply. So today I'm going to be using the Beeswax for Bridget. have a specific preference when it comes to braiding in this style, but I find it easier for me when I braid on this type of angle to, I would say, braid the hair clockwise versus counterclockwise, if you get what I'm saying. I don't know, like, it makes it easier to make the the hook effect that I'm going for. Guys, if Bridget is moving too much while I'm braiding, I don't know what's going on with my stand, but I'm gonna have to get a new stand for my heads. So please, I'm sorry, bear with me. I'll have a new stand soon. As I'm braiding Bridget's hair, you can see that I started to have a little bit of issues with braiding the back of her head because her neck doesn't bend because she doesn't have a neck. So I had a hard time seeing as I was feeding it in. So I had to switch from the overhand pinky method to the 2-finger feed-in method. I found that to be much easier to feed the hair in. Yeah, so if you run into that issue, it's no problem with you switching methods if whatever's easiest for you. And there goes Bridget's head. Okay, back to business, guys. So now I'm switching to the other side to continue with the pattern that I'm going for, that check pattern. So you start on the opposite side of the first braid. Again, you can see that I switched from that first method that I was doing back to the 2-finger feed-in method because I'm in the back of, all the way in the back of Bridget's head, and I cannot move her head down. I don't know why my stand is acting like this, but it's okay. It's all good. We're going to get it done regardless. Why? Because we are conquerors and we can do it. And that's it, guys. This is the finished result. So I was going to just leave it out, but I decided to just roll it up in a bun because I think the top bun looks a lot better on Bridget. But yes, this is the finished results. If you decide that you want to let the hair hang in a full ponytail, just finish braiding the ends and then dip them in boiling hot water. But this is what Bridget is wearing today. Isn't she beautiful? Look at her. You see that perfect circle? Perfect circle, guys. If it seems like it's a little off, that's okay. Again, if you're working on a mannequin, it's going to be a little off. It's not going to be perfect because it's not a real human head. But as long as you get the concept, the only thing that makes this ponytail perfect is the 4 braids that are in the middle. Don't forget it. Practice, 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 and the more you practice, the better you'll become. So that was the end of this video. If you liked what you saw, please leave a comment, like this video, and also if you liked what you see, subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you can get updates on the next time I post a video. Isn't Bridget beautiful? I think she's a doll, literally. She's so pretty, right? She got her little braids going on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.